Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm gonna try 3 now. Kanye? Hey, hey, stop the music. Stop the music. I am not gonna let you finish. I am not Kanye. I am YeKan. How did you get in my house? Look, man, this is what I need you to do, you heard? I need you to take care of this button. This button right here is the key to ending the world. I stole it from Kanye. I know what I'm doing. But how am I supposed to? I'm not gonna let you finish. Listen, do not press this button under any circumstance. If you do, you're gonna kill us all. I'm gonna push the button right here. Take it, put it somewhere. I gotta go. It's sneezy season. Yeah, I'll be back. And I'm not gonna let you finish. Okay, well, guess we just gotta look out for this button, so, screw my juggling. Alright. Well, there it is. Just a regular old button, I guess. I honestly didn't know what to expect. It's just a button. So, guess I just leave it alone. Nah. I couldn't. Nah. What if he presses the button? This is the hardest thing in my life. It's so blue and shiny. Milk! 21 again? You're cheating. I don't want to play with you no more. Come on, bro. I bet $20 on this game. Okay, that's enough. I'm pressing the button. What the? This is a pineapple. Are you telling me this thing only spawns pineapples? Did he give me the wrong button or something? This is a pineapple. It's just a regular pineapple. Another pineapple? This thing only spawns pineapple. You lied to me. I don't even like pineapples. Alright, I'm back. And what are you doing? Why did you lie to me? This thing only makes pineapples. I'm not gonna let you finish. How many times did you press the button? I don't know, like twice? 2. I told you not to press the button, and you pressed it twice. Are these like, do they end the world? Like, what do they do? Are these just regular pineapples? What are these? Yeah, you got 2 pineapples. The third time you press the button, it's gonna be very dramatic. Honestly, I don't believe anything you say anymore, so I'm just gonna press the button a third time. I am a genius. I know what I'm doing. You forget what's my name? It's YeKan! Wait, no! Where are we? Say what I tell you. Now you got us flying in space with kites. I told you this, man. I'm a genius. Listen to me.
Look, man, I'm sorry. I didn't know. I thought you were lying because it only spawned pineapples. You think you can get us out of here?
I should smack you, but I'm not happy for you, and I'm not gonna let you finish. You know what? We'll go to the next planet over and see if they can get us home.